Hello students of Standard 9. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Monrisha. I am here with your history chapter 3 Nazism's questions. There are few very important questions which you have to learn by heart. Copy down the questions in your rough copy and then write it in your fair copy with the answers. Questions should be in black color. Once again, I am reminding you, don't copy down the answers directly from the guidebook. It will be very problem for you only to learn. Try to remember or try to know the meaning of the answer. Make the answer short, because I have seen the questions, answers in your guidebook. Those are very long. So before writing it, please consult with me whether the answers are right or wrong. Then you directly copy down. The first question is define the terms. Define the terms. Number 1, Gestapo, 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 secret police during the Nazis. Reichstag, Reichstag, Reichstag. Concentration camp. Number 4, Jungvolk. So these are the terms for define. Now the second question, who was Adolf Hitler? Hitler. Who was Adolf Hitler? In the same question, what was the main reason? What was the main reason of his popularity? What was the main reason of his popularity? Name the book written by him. Name the book written by him. So the full question, who was Adolf Hitler? In the same question, what was the main reason of his popularity? Name the book written by him. Your third question, what is referred to as Great Depression? Great Depression. Your question number 4, what are the peculiar features? What are the peculiar features of Nazi thinking? This I have already separately dealt with this answer in my previous videos. Very important question, surely to come in the exam. What are the peculiar features of Nazi thinking? 4 marks question. Question number 5. When and by whom? When and by whom was Munich Pact signed? When and by whom was Munich, M-U-N-I-C-H, Pact signed? Question number 6. Explain why Nazi propaganda. Explain why Nazi propaganda was effective in creating a hatred for Jews. Explain why Nazi propaganda was effective in creating a hatred for Jews. Question number 7. Explain what role women had in Nazi society. Explain what role women had in Nazi society. Question number 8. Who were called November criminals? Who were called November criminals? So these are the 8 questions. 3 more questions are there in this chapter. So you please see once again. After that I will drop the above portion and I will give you the other 3 questions. Have you seen? Now come to the question number 9. In what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish S-E-E-K, not S-I-C-K, S-E-E-K, seek to establish total control over its people? Means what did the Nazi party do to establish total control over its people? In what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people? Question number 10, the last question. Discuss the problems faced by Weimar Republic. Discuss the problems faced by Weimar Republic, W-E-I-M-E-R. So these are the 10 questions I have given you. You must first copy down in your rough copy, then you write the answers. Make your screen full screen, then it will be very easier to copy down. Before writing the answers, you must go through the answers, understand the meaning of it, then you try to write. Don't copy down directly from the guidebook, because whatever you copy, you have to learn also. That you must keep in mind. Thank you.